Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can install n8n on Docker the best method. So we are inside the official article of n8n on how you can go ahead and install Docker seamlessly. So Docker offers the following advantages. It installs n8n in a clean environment, easier setup for your preferred database, can avoid issues due to different operating system as Docker provides a consistent system, and more right here. So we are inside the official article, and the first thing that you have to do is to go ahead and start your n8n. From your terminal, you can just go ahead and type the command right here, which creates a volume to store your persistent data. Download the required n8n image and then start your container. From there, we can then go ahead and start using the program with PostgreSQL. By default, n8n uses the SQLite to save credentials. But in here, you just have to go ahead and follow the following instructions, and you will have to go ahead and set your time zone, update your Docker, and from there you should be good to go. Just go ahead and make sure that you refer to the official instruction from the article right here, and you will have no problem installing n8n on Docker. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.